With the advanced Rappels functionality of the Sales Extensions bundle, the user can configure and grant Rappels to business partners. Rappels are discounts based on the volume of consumption of the business partner in a given period of time. Before using the advanced Rappels functionality, there are a few requirements we need to set up. In the Document Sequence window, create a new record and fill in the following fields. Enter the name of the corresponding organization. Give a name to the document sequence, such as Rappel. Check the active and the auto-numbering checkboxes. Set the increment by field to 1. Set the next assigned number field to 1 million. The prefix field is optional. You can enter RAP to indicate that these transactions are Rappels. Save the record, and the document sequence for Rappels is ready. The next requirement is to configure a specific document type for Rappels. In the Document Type window, create a new record and fill in the following fields. Enter the name of the corresponding organization. Specify the name of the document type, for example, Rappel. Select AR Invoice in the General Ledger category. You can enter Rappel in print text. Select AR Invoice in the Document category field. Check the Sequence Document checkbox. Select the previously configured sequence in Document Sequence, in this case, Rappel Sequence. In Table, select See Invoice. Check the Sales Transaction and his Rappel checkboxes. Save the record, and the document type for Rappels is ready. Now, let's explore the Rappel configuration window, where you can configure all the necessary aspects to grant Rappels to specific business partners. In the Rappel Configurations window, you will find the general data of the configuration. The relevant fields to complete are the organization, the name of the Rappel configuration, the currency for the Rappel, the Rappel type. The fields include product categories, include products, include brands, include locations, warehouse, and periodicity. Once this necessary information is completed, save the configuration. You can use the buttons at the top of the Rappel configuration window to further configure specific aspects of each Rappel. Add product categories. Use this button to select and add one or more product categories to the Rappel. Add products. This button allows you to add one or more products to the Rappel. You can see this information in the corresponding tabs. Add partners. This button can be used to add one or more partners to the Rappel. Assign a date from and a date to for each partner. Copy Rappel. With this button, you can copy the characteristics of an existing Rappel to this new Rappel. Now let's explore the different tabs available in the Rappel configuration window. In the Product Categories tab, you can view and assign new product categories to the Rappel. In the Products tab, you can view and assign new products to the Rappel. In the Rappel Parameters tab, you can set the discount percentage and the minimum and maximum amounts for the Rappel. This is new information that needs to be saved. In the Business Partners tab, you can see the business partner to whom the Rappel applies. You can also select a from date and a to date for each partner. Additionally, this tab contains a sub-tab called Business Partners Location, where you can indicate the location of the business partner. In the Brands tab, you can select the brands of the products to which the Rappel applies or not. Once a Rappel is configured, go to the Business Partner window to assign configured Rappels to business partners. In the Rappel Configuration tab of the Business Partner window, you can see the configured Rappels for each business partner. In the Business Partner window, use the Create Rappel button to assign a Rappel to a business partner, considering their consumption over a specific period of time. Each time a Rappel is granted to a business partner, a new sales invoice is automatically generated to display the amount of the discount. The new sales invoice can be found in the Sales Invoice window. This invoice has a specific sequence to distinguish it from the rest. A negative amount since it is a discount. And its status is draft. For more information, check the description below. That's all for now. See you in the next video.